Now we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 6. Let me show you the document display properties. We go to File, Document Properties, and then Display, which is the first option. And here you can adjust the layout of this default page once again. But here we have a couple of more options. For example, we can do that manually. We can also flip it, so turn width into height, height into width, which is a 90-degree rotation. You can resize it to content if you've got content on this page, and then you can use a scale. I would advise you to keep that to 1.0. Relatively important, here's the display unit. You can see that on the rulers. If I change that, the values change automatically. And you can also adjust the colors, for example, here of the border if you want to. Generally, you can also uncheck the border, but I think it's a fine detail, so I keep it like that. There's also a view box, but keep in mind that also changes the scale of your page. For beginners, just keep it to 1.0, and we'll simply neglect the view box here. Once again, relatively important here the display units, but you can also change that if you right click on your rulers, and then these different options will pop up, and you can see in the display this automatically changes the unit. And these are the display properties of the document in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.